guys, welcome back. This is Nina. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to everybody that is on my channel. Please hit that like button, share button, and notification bell so you know when I drop my next video. Now, I am definitely going to go into what we need to see for this trial of Tory Lanez versus California while it is going into week 2. Now, this is supposed to be a 10-day trial. However, because of all of the unexpected twists and turns that has happened, this trial could actually run over because Tory deserves to have a fair trial. Now, let's just get into this first point. I think that after the prosecution had a chance to analyze, study, and research everything going on with Kelsey and how she pleaded the fifth, as well as them having to go back and play her deposition testimony. I am suspecting that they are actually going to pull out another secret surprise with Kelsey. They may even actually have her come back up to the stand. Why do I say this? I am saying this because Kelsey is definitely a key witness to the situation. Meg the Stallion being the person being the victim, and Tory Lanez accused of being the aggressor. They have to call Kelsey back up to the stand. I think, to tie up some loose ends. She pleaded the fifth, but honestly, I am very, very curious to see if this may actually lead to Kelsey being charged with perjury. Now, I'm saying that because unless you believe your testimony is going to lead into you being a part of criminal charges, there is no reason to plead the fifth. So I am actually wondering who gave her that advice, why she strayed from her deposition that she made back in September, and then a judge had to grant the prosecutor's choice in replaying it. The next thing that I think that we all need to be on the lookout for, and this is probably another one of the key points of the case. Why is Meg the Stallion's bodyguard missing? As of yet, I have still not heard any validated sightings / pictures / video or updates concerning why Justin Edison, who is Meg the Stallion's bodyguard, is missing. Some people are saying that he went to the FIFA World Cup to do security, but that has not been confirmed. I am actually having a lot of issues with this. He is set to testify on Monday. Word on the street is he has actually been missing since Thursday. Nobody has been able to get in contact with him. There has been no updates on where Meg the Stallion's bodyguard is. And as you guys know, he is the one that Kelsey sent the text messages to saying 911, Megan is in a jam, we need help, this, that, and the other is going on, and we need you here right now. Now, I was actually trying to sort through this because the way it was originally worded, the problem I had was they were trying to make it seem like he was actually the driver, but the driver was actually Tory Lanez's bodyguard / driver. So I did get that mixed up for a bit. However, a lot of people are saying that the driver, the third person in the car, that was driving was Tory Lanez's driver. Now, again, I actually want to know, why is Meg the Stallion's bodyguard missing? Why has he not really checked in? I think the courts even would have put some information out like, hey, we found him, everything is good. The next thing that we need to look at concerning this case is, will the driver of the vehicle, when this incident happened, will he testify? We have not heard anything from this person. I've actually seen other YouTubers, because I've been trying to do some research. YouTubers, articles, nobody has really named this guy that was actually driving the truck when this happened. I want to know, where is he at and will he testify this week? I think it is very pertinent to this case. I have not heard anything at all. The next thing I want to bring up is, will Kylie Jenner testify this week? I have not had a complete list of who else might be called. I know that they are trying to probably keep some of these things under wrap to the public. And I want to know, will anybody else at that party testify? Corey Gamble was there, who is married to or dating Kris Jenner. Kylie Jenner was obviously there. Word on the curb is Odell Beckham Jr. was there. Football star from the LA Rams, used to play for the Browns, was there. I just want to know, why have they not been called, put on a witness list? Will they show up? Are they on a list that is not privy to the public? I mean, there's a lot of things that need to be done this week. I'm starting to think that this case was held quite sloppy. I feel that you could have just paid somebody a Scooby-Doo snack to get this witness list in a better order than what it is now. I'm also kind of put off by this timeline. I know that these lawyers are overworked or whatever. I get that and I understand. However, from the information given from the courts, I do believe that this case should have been put in a better timeline from the prosecution. I know that nobody expected Kelsey to do what she did with pleading the fifth and everything else, where they literally had to play back her deposition because she had amnesia, which is crazy because she could get perjury charges and be literally, Kelsey could be the only person that actually served some time from this case. And that is absolutely crazy if that's what ended up happening, which actually could happen, because I've never heard of them having to do a deposition replay versus having a person on the stand. Kelsey put herself in a very bad position, and that is something else we are going to have to look out for, even after this trial is over, because honestly, I think baby girl actually could be charged. Now, I am going to go into my opinion. This is my opinion on this case. This is a hot mess. I think that with a week left, I actually think the prosecution did not realize that they probably did need more time for this. This case actually may be extended. I know that they were trying to wrap this up before Christmas. However, they cannot just be like, okay, it's a holiday, we want to let this go. I think this case actually might be extended. There's too much information being put forth for, I know the prosecution did not rest Friday, so they at least have another day on Monday. I don't think that the defense will just try to curtail everything within 4 days. We still have cops that need to testify, body cams. We have neighbors that were out there when incidents was going on the street. There's a lot of things that need to be brought into this case. I don't think this is going to just wrap up this week. So, this is going to be very interesting. I just shot you guys a few things that I think will be put into this case. Do you agree or not? Do you think more should be added? Do you think there's anybody else that's going to come forward? Please share your opinion, you guys, because I did not expect this case to have this much drama. And it is definitely bringing some year-end drama. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys, be safe and enjoy your day. Bye, guys.